Om. This tutorial is looking at how to modify two common arm balances so that you're not weight bearing on the hands. Many, if not all, arm balances can be modified in similar ways to avoid weight bearing on the hands if you're working with shoulder issues or elbow or wrist issues. So we're going to look at Bakasana, crow pose, and Parsva Bakasana, sideways crow pose. Come onto your back and lying down. Peel the low belly away from the tops of the thighs and descend it down toward the back of the pelvis. Draw the navel toward the spine and then lift the knees toward the chest. Join the big toe sides of the feet, especially at the balls of the feet. The heels can part a little bit. Curl your head and shoulders away from the ground without hiking the shoulder blades up toward the ears. Now separate the knees just as wide as the sides of the torso. Reach your arms inside your knees and lightly press your arms into your knees and your knees back into your arms. With the arms extended, turn the hands so that the palms face out away from you in the same direction as your toes. Really curl the shoulders up, hollow the low belly, and then squeezing the knees in, reach the arms out. Breathe. And then release. Come down. And then the second one is Parsva Bakasana. So we're also going to do that supine. And you're going to hook the arm across the knee, the opposite arm and knee. So coming onto your back. Shift your hips a little bit to the right. Draw the knees in toward your chest. And take the knees out toward the left shoulder. Curl your head and shoulders up. Squeeze the legs together. Now take your left arm on the inside, on the outside of the right knee. Stretch the right arm out. Position your arms shoulder distance apart. Turn the hands so that the fingers point up and the palms extend straight out away from you as if your hands were flat on an imaginary ground floor in front of you. Keep curling the head and shoulders up. Weight down the outside of the left hip and the right shoulder blade. And curl the right hip and the left shoulder blade up. And then release, come back down. We'll do the other side. So shift your hips a bit to the left. So now you're already a bit on the outside of the right hip. Draw the knees toward the chest, squeeze the legs together, and tip the knees toward, if your arms were extended out to the side, it would be sort of toward your right elbow. And then curl your head and shoulders up. Cross your right arm on the outside of your left knee. So my balance point is on the right side of the back of my pelvis and my left shoulder blade, near the bottom outer edge of the shoulder blade. Then stretch the arms out, shoulder distance apart. Face the palms straight out away from you and squeeze the right arm and the left leg against each other. And then exhale and come down. I hope that's helpful. Enjoy. Om.